Good morning, children. Welcome back to the lesson. So, children, now so far we completed the lesson number 17, the agriculture. So, now this is the last lesson of your textbook. So, the lesson number 18, industries. So, children, so in previous lesson we studied what is agriculture, and now we will study about what is industries. So, children, industries, as you know already, industries is very necessary in our daily life. Not that it provides us something. So, today we are sitting, today we are enjoying, today we are having a very luxurious or a very comfortable life, means it is because of the industries. It is because of the industries. So, industries, you know, there are many types of industries are there. There are chemical industries are there, manufacturing clothes industries are there, and the sugar industries, and other chemical industries, and what you call the manufacturing of many like utensils. Many are there. Many are there. So, children, today we all are enjoying this. That means, so we all are having very comfortable life. That means that is due to the industries. Due to the industries. So today industries are making a man's life very comfortable. You take anything that is from your house, like a furniture. You can take the construction of the house, the materials and the trolleys, whatever you are planning for your house. Those are all of the manufactured by the industries. Manufactured by the industries. So, dear children, so industries has lot to do with us. Industries have a lot to do with us. So, in our daily life, we require many things to live comfortably, isn't it? So, in our daily life, we require lot of things required to live comfortably. So, we need clothes to wear, food items, furniture, utensils, and many other things. From where do we get these things? Of course, all these things we need. We need food, we need clothes, we need utensils, and the furniture. So, this all, of course, manufactured by the industries. There are many things. You take plastic products, utensils, fertilizers, glasses, paper, handicrafts, electrical goods, pottery, many things. There are a number of things. Each and everything that you are using in our day-to-day life, that is out of industries. So, industries, not only they are providing us the things, industries have given life to many, because there are number of millions of people together working in a different industries. There are some people, those are working in a chemical and in iron and utensils and the bags and the carpet and the paper making and the electricians wiring. There are many types of work is done in the industries. So the day we get up until we go to bed, there are certain things we make use of. The comfortable chair we buy, the dining table we buy, or in your houses you have a fan system or lighting system, and you also called the electricity, the way of fitting the electricity, and all these electrical instruments and wirings, whatever we make use, these are all done in industries. industries, isn't it, children? So therefore industries also play a very important role in in our country. Because of the industries, there are people those who are living a happy life, even from including from the matchbox. So we have industries, so where millions of people are given job, and they are living very happy life. So of course, in our daily life we require many things to live comfortably, and we need clothes to wear also. What happened, the food items, furniture, utensils, and many other things. From where do we get these things and all? We get it from the industries. Of course, industry is not growing the things, but the growing things which will be sent into the industries for the refined work, of course. Now we have a cloth. So do you think that a cloth itself is going to the industries? No, we only send the cotton to the industries, and people make use of this in many ways. So out of cotton we get a clothes, out of cotton we get say clothes, out of wood we get furnitures, and out of steel and ore and other things we get utensils, isn't it, children? So then of course out of the food grains we get refined food items, refined food items. So therefore, dear children, the industries are very very important, and they play even the very important role in our country. So have we ever given a thought to it? They come from the resources given to us by nature. In the previous chapter, we have read that cloth is made from cotton, sugarcane gives us sugar, and jaggery, bread is made out of wheat. So we also know that iron and steel is further used to make utensils and the machines. Yes or no? So children, we know that. So of course these are things, the refined things, the resources, we get it from industries. Of course the resources are given by the nature. So then the nature is given to us, and this will go into the industries, and industries provides us all this the finished goods. Of course the industries will get raw materials, but when it comes out of the industries, it comes as a finished goods. So you know that even though the resources have been given by the nature, but the man makes it refined. Man gives a life to all these resources and raw materials into finished goods, and finished goods looks very lovely and very good and all. So that is how marketing also takes place. So children, we know that the clothes is made from cotton, and even sugarcane gives us a sugar and jaggery. Even bread is made out of wheat. So all these things we eat, all these things we sit in our houses and we enjoy, but we are not able to think from where does it come, how does it happen. Nothing. We know bit of okay, we have industries, we have factories, they prepare in factories and industries, and finally it comes to the shops and the market, then we have it. Yes or no? But we do not know the real struggle, the real hard work behind all these things. So we only enjoy the finished goods. So we are not bothered about the raw materials which have been sent to the industries, how they have been molded, how they have been shaped, how they have been done. Nothing about this we know. We only know these are the things have come to the market, and we buy and we enjoy. Isn't it, children? So, dear children, this is all about the industries. So, Have you ever given a thought to it? We never give a thought to it. We only go purchase, come and eat. That's all. So, but we never think. So, it is. They come from the resources given to us by nature. In the previous chapter, we already studied about the agriculture, how the clothes is made from cotton, sugarcane gives us sugar and jaggery, bread is made out of wheat. So we also know that even iron and steel is further used to make utensils and the machines. Okay, children. So this is all about the industries. Children, those are not completed all 16 lessons, please try to complete all the lessons completely, complete your notes, and please don't waste the time. Please go on reading, keep on studying. Okay, children. Okay, thank you.